Hey, what's up y'all? It's your girl aanasmira and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do one of my favorite things, which is an unboxing video. It's one of my favorite things. Yeah, so today we are going to do an unboxing video, and I've had this piece for months now. Luckily, a fellow YouTuber, Brianna Rochelle, she posted a picture on her Instagram that reminded me that I need to do this because it's just been sitting there. And I haven't really been going out like that for real, but yeah, it's time for me to unbox this, and I'm really excited about it because it's so pretty. But yeah, so it is a Brandon Blackwood purse. If you're not familiar with him, you've probably been living under a rock. But he had a really big like boom in 2020 with his like in systemic racism bag and like protect Black women. Actually, I mean, he's been around for a while, but like I feel like people have been getting into his stuff around 2019, 2020. So I finally got a bag. I'm really excited. And so today I am going to show you guys what it looks like. So let's dig in. So it came in a box like this. Okay, so it has this little box in here. I don't know what this. Oh, I got two things. I totally forgot. It's like Christmas. I forgot. So we'll start with the little one first because I actually got two things and I totally forgot. So the first thing that I got is a like keychain wallet. Comes with a little felt. Love the packaging. Y'all know I'm a sucker for good packaging. And I'm like one of those people that like I don't want to mess up the packaging. Like this really does feel like Christmas because my family likes to re-wrap gifts with the same type of like packaging, so I have to be like super careful not to mess it up. So I'm like having PTSD and flashbacks. See, got it perfect. Years and years of opening Christmas gifts and not messing up the packaging. But this is the little key pouch, or key holder I should say. This is what it looks like. It literally is structured just like a Louis Vuitton key holder, but these little things are a little bit different. I really want a Louis Vuitton key holder, but they haven't come out with any fun colors recently, so when I saw this, I was like, oh, this is cute. So I decided to get it. It has his name on it. And this is like faux lizard skin. Has his name on it on the inside. And like I said, it's just like a Louis Vuitton key pouch because it has like the little card slot thingy in the middle. But yeah, I'm really excited because the key pouch that I have now is ratchet, so that's why I got this. So I'm really excited to use it. Yay! And then the main attraction. Oh, like a thank you card. Thank you for your purchase. Enjoy your new piece and can't wait to see you style it. XOXO Brandon. So cute. We love a thank you card. Ooh, I can see the color through the paper. It's so pretty. I'm excited. Okay, this I'm just gonna have to mess it up. This color is amazing. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. Wow. Oh, it is stunning. I am obsessed. I don't have a bag that is this color. Oh, it's even better in person. I feel like it doesn't even look this vibrant on the website. But oh my gosh, this is amazing. It's like a baby Kelly. Or baby Birkin. I don't know the difference between a Birkin and a Kelly. I gotta look it up. But I know it's both by Hermes. Ugh. And I love little bags. Like literally all my going out purses are this size. So this is like perfect. I'm literally obsessed. And mini bags are like totally in right now. And it's a crossbody, and I love me a crossbody. Ugh, it's so gorgeous. How freaking cute. I'm obsessed. It's so pretty. Wow, I love it. This color is amazing. Like, I'm obsessed. I don't have any blue bags, so this is like perfect. What's the name of her? So I got this to go with this, but these are not the same colors, but it's okay, whatever. I'm still obsessed. It definitely was a lot lighter on the website, but I'm not mad. Like, this color is amazing. Like, it is gorgeous. So this is the Nima key pouch, and then I don't want to butcher the name of this bag. K-U-E-I, Kiwi, Q-T. But yeah, that is the name of this bag. I'm obsessed, y'all. This is so cute. It has like a little pouch for your cards, and then it's just open in the middle. Oh my gosh, I didn't eat. Okay, look at that. I love that. So I was worried that it didn't really have like a good closure, but it does have this magnetic closure, and you just do it like that, and she's closed. Wow, I love that. So it keeps all your goodies safe. That's how it looks on the inside. She has feet. So many women complain about bags not having feet, and this cutie patootie has feet. So I'm obsessed. I can't wait to wear this bag. Like, I'm in love. I'm so happy. Yay! Actually, she just fits in there perfectly like so. And get my wallet in there. Get my phone. I can probably get my phone. But I'm really trying to get a smaller phone. Ooh, it even has his name on the inside. But I'm obsessed. This blue is gorgeous. Wow. Love it. Where's my phone? Let me go test my phone. This is the real test, because this is the only thing that matters. Oh, it fits. It kind of makes the bag look weird. Hold on. Oh, my phone doesn't fit. That means I need to get a smaller phone. I mean, it fits, but it's weird. It kind of like it warps the bag a little bit. Like, it looks warped. But, I mean, it fits. But OMG, I'm so happy. But yeah, I am gonna get a smaller phone, so. I went from an iPhone 5 to an 8 Plus. I miss my 5 so much. That rhymes. I'm a poet and I didn't even know it. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Please make sure to comment and subscribe. Let me know if you guys have a Brandon Blackwood bag yourself. Drop it in the comments which one that you have. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to share it. Please make sure to comment and subscribe. And hit that bell so you guys can be notified every time I post a new video. Make sure to follow me on all my social media at aanasmira, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
That's my purse. Thank you, Sandra.
No, it's not.
Got me a purse.
I definitely did not.
Let's see it. Who is this name?
Brandon Blackwood.
Black.
Brandon Blackwood.
Is black.
Yes, he is black.
Oh, that's my color too. It's so sweet. Thank you. And so my phone won't fit, huh?
Mm-mm.
Oh, you got a wallet too?
Uh-huh, it's a little key pouch.
Oh, so you don't need my key pouch. Mm-hmm.
It literally looks just like a Louis Vuitton key pouch.
Nah, not really.